All right, folks, let's see what we got. Ooh wee, man, that looks pretty. Oh man. Ooh, let it cook. What's up, my lovely ladies and gentlemen? What we gonna do today? We got this big old chicken here, and we gonna do two Korean barbecue halves of chicken because I got a taste for some chicken to go on that grill, but I want some Korean barbecue flavor, and I like to eat a lot of chicken, and that's what we gonna do. So first, let's get into making the marinade for this thing. So I got this Korean barbecue all-purpose rub from Spiceology. Saw it at Costco, so I said, let me go ahead and pick it up. I tried it before, and it's good on its own, but it do need a little doctoring. How about that? So 2 tablespoons of that, and we gonna go with. You use some soy sauce. I got Bragg's. It's almost like the same things. The amino acids taste the same. A little less sodium. This is a big chicken. It's 7 pounds, so we go with 3 tablespoons of that. And for a little acid, I got some malt liquor. I mean, some malt vinegar. So I don't want too much acid. Just want like a little hint of it. So I'm figuring let's do a tablespoon of that. We don't want to be super vinegary. We just want like a little twang. That's it. And we got to make it sweet. So I got about 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then into that, a little olive oil. So let's say that's about a tablespoon and a half. Then I got a half of a big lemon for some natural citrus acid. So yeah, that's gonna bring this flavor out. Yeah, that is it for the marinade on that. All right, so let's get this big bad boy together. 7 pound. I can get my exercise with this. Get my curls on. Oh, it's coming out already. All right, let's take these gizzards out. I usually throw them away, but I'm gonna save them this time. How about that? Probably go ahead and try to make me some chicken stock or something. Yep, see that? We're gonna go right up in there, do some surgery. Take this back out. Snip, snip. Now, let's go right down the middle of here and get this other part off and make us a chicken half. All right, and we just go right down the middle. All right, just like that. We're gonna trim the skin, make it look a little presentable. Yeah, we take a little of that off. All right, boy, this is a big bird. It's gonna be a lot of good eating. All right, y'all. Let me go wash this real quick. Get some vinegar and water. Be right back. We're gonna throw this marinade on there. Now let's get it dried off. All right, let's see if there's any fine tuning we need to do on the trimming. I see some stuff already. Like that. Take that off. Yep, you know you coming on. Yeah, other than that, everything's alright. Let's go ahead, tenderize it. This is gonna help penetrate down to the meat. Also, make the skin nice and bite through. That wing, get that wing. Alright, let's check out this other piece. Okay. That little piece off. You gotta be careful with these. You don't want to punch a hole in your hand. You will get, as we call it, cooking wounds. I got a lot of them. Cuts, little stabs. And that's just from sometimes opening up this new equipment or something. Alright, it's time for this marinade to go up in here. That smells official there. I just hope that I did enough marinade. We'll find out. It's time to get our hands dirty and get a massage. Oh, yeah. Okay, I got enough marinade. I thought I didn't have enough for a minute. You know, we don't want to over marinate it, you know, and be too salty. But yeah, this here is gonna be just right. The flavor is gonna be crazy because it is smelling super good. Super simple Korean barbecue rub. I'll probably do another video where we just do everything from scratch. Do pear juice and everything and just do everything they do in a real Korean barbecue. But this is our version of the simple, easy way of doing a Korean barbecue. We like to keep it simple over here. We ain't trying to make it hard. We don't want barbecue to be hard. Get in the backyard and do your thing, baby. All right. That's it. Y'all see how it's looking? Oh, yeah. These birds gonna be beautiful. All right. They are going overnight because it is raining today. Yep. I ain't messing with the rain. Tomorrow's no rain, so I'm gonna be on outside. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, folks, we got the smoker going. I want to get up to about 300. We got this nice, big old fat piece of post oak wood, and I'm sure we're going to get there for this chicken. So, in you go. Y'all see these big, beautiful chickens? Let's get ready to get them on here, baby. Yeah. Chicken number 1. Chicken number 2. We check on it. Get about 45 minutes. We go ahead and check on it. All right, see you back. All right, folks. Let's see what we got. Ooh wee, man, that looks pretty. Let me go ahead and do a flip. We've been 1 hour in. Oh man, yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. All right, about 40 more minutes. We've been an hour in, so on my meter probe it said we got about 40 more minutes. Whew. Let it cook. Look at those babies. It's time to take them off. I got the thick part of the breast on here at 160 degrees. The carryover is going to get us to 165, so it's safe to eat. Beautiful. Check this out. I'll see y'all inside. I'm ready to devour these things. Wait. We gotta do a sauce, right? All right. There ain't gonna be nothing without the sauce. Well, it's still good without the sauce. A lot of times I like my stuff without sauce, but sometimes that sauce bring it out. So make a quick little, what I consider a Korean barbecue sauce. We just want it to be a hint of ginger. I don't want it to be too spicy. Too spicy for Shawana. Yeah. Right up in there. Do like a little small batch. Alright, that should be enough. A little of this malt vinegar. Just a hint of black pepper. I mean red pepper, sorry. Add this up in there. This rub. What about that much? Let me see. And a tad bit of oil. All right, let's blend it up and see, and we'll do some tasting from there to see what we need to do, see if it's just right, or if we need to add something or take something away. Well, I can't take nothing away, but if we need to add something. All right, let's see where we at. Oh man, ooh, that's good. Ooh, I just want to do one thing. I want to thin it out a little bit, so I'm gonna add some water. All right, we got a little water. We're gonna thin it out a little more. That should be enough. You know what it need? I know it's perfect. Now it's about to be over the top. Oh yeah. Tablespoon of brown sugar. Should make it hit just right. Ooh, that's it there. That's it there. Then we got us something, y'all. Man, y'all see how we looking. Whew. Oh. Ooh, look how tender that is already. Gotta save one for the missus. So I'm about to plate something up, y'all. It's cause I want to eat mine together with the sides and everything. So I'll be right back. Can't forget the sauce. And my favorite as a kid, some green corn. Looks quite good, I must say. I'm just gonna go in on this big breast. Juicy. Everything done as you see. Man, it's off the chain. The sauce is delicious. Chicken flavor, off the chain. Look at that wing. Y'all saw everything was done. Catch y'all on the next one. Do this recipe, y'all. I'm telling you, it's off the chain. Your family and friends, anybody that come over and taste it, they gonna be like, whoo, check this out. We gonna keep on cooking up delicious meals this summer. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Peace.